Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up your Capital One credit card and tips for first-time use. Before applying, it's essential to have all necessary information ready, including your social security number, income details, and identification. Let's go through the application process step by step. Start by visiting the Capital One website and selecting the card that suits you best. Once you receive your card, activate it online by logging into your account and following the prompts. Download the Capital One mobile app and set up your online account for easy management of your finances. It's important to understand your credit limit and when your payments are due to avoid late fees and maintain a healthy credit score. When making your first purchase, keep it within your budget and consider using it for an expense you can pay off right away. To build your credit, use your card responsibly. Make on-time payments and avoid overspending. Take advantage of the Capital One app to manage your account, track spending, and keep an eye on rewards. Now that you're set up, don't forget to explore the rewards and perks that come with your Capital One card. Happy spending!